Alright, make sure we don't have no fuel leaks. Holy sh. What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video, and crazy enough, it's on the truck. Still have a bunch of truck parts to install. Using a 36, where is it? There it is. 30 or 40 Torx tip. You just loosen it. Some fluid will come out of this. I'm gonna have to bring you guys in for these. It's kind of hard to see. So you got your two quick disconnects, and you got to disconnect those. You are supposed to drain this first. It's recommended, but you don't have to. I'm not doing it. I don't have a 36 millimeter to get this off, so I'm just gonna not do it. Move two clips. You push them out. It's always the second one that gets me though. Oh shit! All right, one wet clip is 100% gonna bust all over me.
What did he say?
20 minutes later, I finally got them off. One right here, one right here. Sucked. Don't let me fool you. Sucked. I got a couple different tools, like really skinny tools. Oh, don't spill. Oh, it's spilling. I got like these one, and then I got another one. It's like a 90 degrees. So I was able to like kind of get it in there, and the other one like. And then I got them off. I just pulled it, and it came off. Oh, I got it. All right. Next, we get to take off, not take off, but loosen the canister. Oh, is it gonna stand? Oh, stand, phone, stand. Like too much weight inside. Do a little bending here. You guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Oh, look at that. Look at that movement. Can you see the filter? Oh. Okay, there we go. And there we go. Yes, sir. All right, well, it's out. I'm making a mess. This is where you should drain it first. So yeah. There's the stock one. I know exactly where everything is though. Did you see that? I knew exactly where that was. Yes, sir. Told you. Grab this. Look at those tires. Fresh. What's cool is right there is the black box for the SMB intake. It's right there. Look at that knee. It's a good knee. Hasn't done me wrong yet. Alright, so what I'm doing here, I suck at filming, is I stuck this under one of these little lips here. I did a little spin-a-rooney. Look at all the diesel fluid on the ground. Idiot. Oh gosh, I'm afraid I'm gonna break something. Oh. Bet he thinks he's fast. I wonder if he'd run the Supra. Smells like diesel. This is the medium and small O-ring. I hope you guys can see this because I can't see the screen no more after I relocated you. Medium and small O-ring. I'm gonna assume they're talking about this one and this one because they are small. That one's kind of big. Remove the large and medium. Oh, I'm an idiot. You remove the medium. Okay. You remove the medium and large one. The small one stays in place. Read the directions, kids. Put a little diesel fuel gosh, what is that? Are you kidding me? There's like grass or something in here. And there's a hair. Dude, are you, this medium size dude right here. That one comes off too. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Come on. Careful, okay. Right. I'm gonna clean this up because this looks terrible. It is going on a billet part. You know, I want it to be, I want to have some class. I want it to look good, you know. There's a pin here. There's a hole here. So essentially, the pin goes through the hole. Oh wow, that's a tight fit. Holy crap. Wow. I think these may just be long enough to reach the bolts. So I might be able to use that. Yes sir, they are, okay. The scary part about this is not to pinch this O-ring. Man, I think I got them all. Guys, this is honestly stressful. I can't even see through my glasses right now. What is going on? Hello, glasses? Are you working? Decent. There's a little spot right here. You guys can see that. There's a little spot popping up there. Definitely don't want to pinch this because, goodness, can you imagine the fuel leak that I would have? All right, I need to loosen this a little bit. You guys admire this billet? It looks so good. Get out of there. So now essentially comes reinstallation of everything else. So the electrical connector goes on this, fuel lines go on here, put the filters on. All right, play elevator music. You guys closer on that because I don't, that bend right there, that seems pretty gnarly. So I'm gonna sit here and like move these fuel lines around, see if that goes away because that doesn't feel right. I don't know. I think it's the wrong way. I don't know. Yeah, it was. All right, there's that one. Oh, come on. Dude, what? Hello? Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh. I got the Baldwin filters. I think they were a little bit more expensive. But they're high efficiency. So I was kind of about it. So this one is the water one, I believe, because it has, this is like the water trap. So this one is going to go on this one. This bad boy is going to go on this one. So when you install these, just make sure you get a little diesel fluid around this ring. Help it get a good seal. So I'll do that on both of them. I'm going to loosen it just so I know it's tight. All right, yeah, it's tight. All right, give me some of that diesel fluid. Oh, sheesh. One goes the water trap, and it is threaded. for each specific one. It's like one's a little bit, they're different size basically. So that there's no possible way you can mess it up. Look, my shorts are stuck. Right. Of course, always just hand tight. Look at this mess someone made. What a loser. It wasn't me. All right, last thing we're gonna do here is prime the fuel system. All you gotta do, don't put your foot on the brake. Don't put your foot on the brake. You just hold this and you wait till you hear the lift pump. Hear it? Good Lord. Oh my gosh. Did y'all hear how loud that was? Well, I don't see no leaks. Yeah, I see no leaks. So I think we're straight. Cool. Love to see it. All right. Let's try and start this thing up. Let's start this thing up for real. I assume it's going to take a little bit longer than normal, just because there probably maybe a couple little air bubbles that it pushed all the way through to the injectors. But let's try this out. Oh, it started up just fine. All right, make sure we don't have no fuel leaks. Holy shit. What the f? Love to see it, but I know what it's from. Fuel line, it wasn't seated all the way. So that's on me. Although I'm surprised it didn't catch that on the initial check there. Looking like a diesel tech. Line is 100% on this time. Like I gave it the beans and I pulled on it and it didn't come off. So it's gotta be good this time. Low-key nervous to start it. But primed it, so let's go. Foot on brake. All right. All right. There's no fuel leaks. We're good. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. I believe the next video will probably be the catch can, at least for the truck anyways. I think the next video is gonna be something for the Supra, but anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Before I end this video, I know people are gonna ask, how low does it hang? That's about even with the frame, so a couple inches below the frame. So I mean, it's up to you how you feel about it. Looks like it's higher than the diff, I think. So if anything, you'd hit your diff